earthing or basic grounding has become a real popular basic energy medicine. It's just, walking barefoot on the earth and absorbing the earth energy into your feet, helping balance our natural energies throughout the body. I mean, we are energetic beings. But in this video, I want to share with you a concept that I call earthing accelerated. And I'm not quite sure if I'm the only one that came up with this or if this is something a lot of other people do. But basically, this is just a way of increasing that effect by taking advantage of the organ in the body that has the strongest magnetic field. So what I like to do is I like to, as part of my normal, kind of fitness and getting out in nature and hiking and stuff, is I hike barefoot. I like this park. I like walking around and going up and down these hills. But what I'll do is I'll get my heart rate up by either walking up a big hill, and you can do this with a bicycle too if you're more akin to cycling, or if the area you're at is better for biking. But basically, just get the heart rate going, get your heart rate up, and then find a place in the grass where the grass isn't too tall. Like right here, it's like the grass is really tall, so it's harder to get closer to the ground. But find a place where the grass is not so tall, and with your heart rate up, just lay down on the ground. So climb a hill, bike up and down a hill, whatever you want to do to get your heart rate up, and then find a spot where the grass is relatively short so you can get close to the ground, and just lie down on the ground. And what happens is, as your heart's beating faster, it's pumping that magnetic field. See, the heart has the strongest magnetic field of any organ in the body. So as your heart is beating stronger, you're going to be able to get that resonance with the earth energy even deeper than you can just with walking on the soil or on the earth. So I'd like you to try it and report back to me. Let me know how it goes for you. It's something I've enjoyed doing for many years. I like to do it here. This is one of my favorite places to do it. I tend to do it like I'll end up laying down in the grass over in that area where the grass is shorter, and by the time I get there, my heart's beating much faster because I've been walking uphill or downhill and then uphill. So that's what I wanted to share in this video. And please visit me at healthharmonic.com, and you'll see that I've got a number of various types of energetic tools like this that are designed to help work with these low frequencies, these earth resonant frequencies, to help balance the energy in the body, so that when you can't get out in nature and use the natural earth energy, you can still get the benefits of these low frequencies that are so important in this age of wireless telecommunications and high frequency noise that we're polluted with on a regular basis. So check it out, healthharmonic.com, and I will see you over there. And thanks for watching this video.